How to make $10,000 fast. 14 tips to grow your savings. But before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you are notified and updated on our latest videos. Also, do like and leave a comment down below.
Hello guys! Welcome to Gifa TV channel!
Finding yourself in need of $10,000 can be stressful, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming. Whether you're facing an unexpected expense or simply aiming to boost your savings, there are practical ways to make it happen quickly. No gimmicks or get-rich-quick schemes, just 15 solid strategies that can help you reach your financial goal sooner than you might expect. 14 ways to quickly rake in $10,000. When you need to pad your savings or deal with an unexpected expense, finding ways to generate $10,000 fast can seem daunting. Below are 15 effective strategies to help you get there. Number 1. Sell valuable items you own. Look around. That vintage record collection, the designer handbag you've worn once, or the tech gadgets gathering dust could be your ticket to fast cash. Platforms like eBay, Craigslist, and Facebook Marketplace make it easy to sell. Depending on what you're offloading, you could get anywhere from a few $100 to several thousand in a matter of weeks. Who should try this? Anyone who's got stuff they don't use. How long does it take? Could be fast. A couple of weeks if you price things right. Number 2. Take on freelance work in your area of expertise. Whether you're a designer, writer, marketer, or coder, freelance work is a fantastic way to put extra cash in your pocket. Sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy to find gigs. High-demand skills can net you a few grand per project, meaning you're not far from your 10,000K goal with just a few good clients. Who should try this? Those with marketable skills and experience. How long does it take? 1 to 3 months depending on the workload and client pay. Number 3. Rent out a room or your entire home on Airbnb. Got a spare room or can you crash at a friend's place for a few weekends? Renting out a space on Airbnb can pull in a surprising amount of cash. If you live in a popular area, you could be banking $100 per night, which adds up quickly if you're hosting consistently. Who should try this? Homeowners or renters with extra space. How long does it take? Depends on occupancy, but you could hit your goal in a few months. Number 4. Consulting services in your professional field. If you're a seasoned pro in your field, leverage that expertise to offer consulting services. Businesses are willing to pay top dollar for advice that saves them time and money. Depending on your industry, 1 or 2 clients could get you very close to your $10,000 mark. Who should try this? Professionals with experience and insight to offer. How long does it take? With the right clients, 1 to 2 months. Number 5. Flip items by buying low and reselling higher. Garage sales, thrift stores, and even online marketplaces are gold mines for finding undervalued items you can flip. Focus on items that have a big markup potential. Think vintage furniture, tech gadgets, or limited edition sneakers. Buy them cheap, fix them up if necessary, and resell them for a profit. You should try this. Bargain hunters with an eye for resale value. How long does it take? Likely a few weeks to a few months, depending on the items you flip. Number 6. Become a virtual assistant for multiple clients. If you're organized and good at handling admin tasks, becoming a virtual assistant is a flexible way to earn. Juggle a few clients at once and you'll be surprised how quickly the pay adds up. Best of all, you can do it from your couch in your pajamas. Who should try this? People with solid organization skills. How long does it take? About 2 to 4 months if you have steady clients. Number 7. Offer home renovation or handyman services. If you're handy with toolbox, offering renovation or repair services can rake in solid money. From fixing a leaky faucet to remodeling a kitchen, people are always looking for someone to tackle their home improvement projects. Charge by the hour or offer package deals for big jobs. You should try this. Skilled tradespeople, How long does it take? It's possible to hit $10,000 in 1 to 3 months. Number 8. Start a mobile car detailing business. Car owners love a good, deep clean but hate doing it themselves. That's where you come in. Starting a mobile car detailing business has a relatively low cost of entry. All you need are some cleaning supplies and a little elbow grease. With prices ranging from $50 to $200 per car, you can quickly build a client base and rev up your income. You should try this. Anyone with attention to detail and love for shiny cars. How long does it take? A few months if you have consistent clients. Number 9. Become a high-end event planner. If you're organized and have a flair for design, becoming a high-end event planner could help you cash in on weddings, corporate events, and private parties. These gigs can range from $2,000 to $10,000 plus per event, depending on the size and budget. You should try this. People with a knack for organizing and creativity. And how long does it take? Plan a couple of large events and you're likely to hit your goal. Number 10. Create and sell digital products. Digital products, think ebooks, online courses, or design templates, can become a passive income stream that pays you repeatedly. Spend time creating a killer product once and then market it on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. You can hit $10,000 faster than you think. Who should try this? Creators and entrepreneurs. How long does it take? Likely 3 to 6 months with steady sales. Number 11. Offer personal training or fitness coaching services. If you've got fitness credentials, offering personal training or online fitness coaching is a fantastic way to earn extra cash. Charge clients by the session or offer monthly packages. Either way, you'll be sweating your money to $10,000. Who should try this? Certified fitness trainers. And how long does it take? Possibly a few months with a steady client base. Number 12. Become an influencer. Sure, not everyone can go viral overnight, but with some strategy and consistency, building a following on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube can unlock partnerships, sponsorships, and ad revenue. Create content that resonates, and you'll be on your way to monetizing your influence. Who should try this? Social media savvy individuals. And how long does it take? 6 to 12 months, give or take, but the sky's the limit. Number 13. Provide professional home staging services. Real estate agents are always looking for home stagers to make properties look amazing before showings. If you've got a good eye for design, this could be your gig. With rates from $500 to $2,000 per project, you could stage your way to $10,000 in no time. Who should try this? Those with interior design experience. How long does it take? About 1 to 3 months if you've got steady projects. Number 14. Apply for a personal loan. Finally, if time isn't on your side, a personal loan is a quick way to get the funds you need. You'll pay it back over time with interest, but for immediate financial needs, it's a solution worth considering. Who should try this? Those with good credit looking for fast cash. How long does it take? A matter of days once approved. So, thanks for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Best of luck. Goodbye.
Thank you for watching this video. Please leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe on this channel. Bye!